Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. In this video, we are going to be painting this beautiful wisteria with in watercolor, and we're gonna use the wet on wet technique and wet on dry technique for this wisteria flower in detail part. Okay, we're gonna use these colors: lavender, ultramarine deep, and this one is the bright violet and emerald green nova and sap green yellow. Some of the, I think, crimson, Arizona crimson lake for the branch area. So okay, first starting by wetting the paper background. Background, this is ultramarine deep color and this emerald green nova. Okay, switch the brush and got some bright violet mix, ultramarine deep color. So I got some of purple color from the background area for some flower far in the distance area. So we need to fade out that flower. And for the flower, got some bright violet mix, ultramarine deep color. So little bit of the dark area. Light is coming from top right side, so this area will be dark value. Okay. I used all the same technique and almost similar colors for the flower, right? Okay. I didn't use any different technique. Just first wet the paper, and second get some light value of color. And third, a little bit of the thick density of color put on the center. Okay. And now I'm going to wait this area paper dry. Okay. Next I'm going to try. We are gonna try the for leaf. Got some very light value of color and some leaves on the center. Okay, finally I'm going to use a spreader technique for background one more time, and then we're gonna finish. Okay, I'm adding bright violet color put on here because I want to make some bright vivid color bright painting. So I'm adding some different bluish color, and this one is the bright violet color. Just a few touch up. Okay, all done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and see you next time. Bye.